Here we go. Woo, here we go. Starting with somebody ready running in front of me. Hopefully you guys can hear me better. Coming up to this robot, I would just like to thank once again for all the support and everybody on YouTube who's been supporting me, encouraging me. I really have been enjoying it. It's been real fun. I'm getting looks from people in the street and the cars wondering who am I talking to. It's YouTube, guys. I'm talking to YouTube, talking to you guys, bringing you some more content. Waiting for them to change. Here we go. Last day today. Microphone installed. Okay, so let's talk a bit about safety gear, and in my opinion what is essential to keep yourself protected on the road if you come off.
So this was going to be a blog about safety wear, and it turned out to be about something else completely different. I was just, bike was just riding really well, and it's a good day, everything was going well, and then the next minute the bike started to give me some trouble, as you're about to see. Luckily I got everything under control just in time. All of a sudden, guys, the bike just started splattering, backfiring. Didn't know what caused this to happen at the time. I was trying to figure out if maybe it was just a bit of fuel, dirt in the fuel, and I was trying to get the bike to keep going and trying to move it out of the traffic, trying to get out of the way of all the traffic coming past. I proceeded to the next turn off, trying to keep the bike going, and yeah, you'll see what happens next. Okay guys, so I realized at this point that something else is wrong with the bike, and I was just trying to get the bike to a better spot to check what was wrong with it and get out of the traffic, which was actually a mistake. I should have actually just stopped wherever I was and had a closer look and just dealt with the problem at that point. But anyway, this is what happened, and you're about to see fairing started to melt, and it caught a light from the heat from the exhaust. Luckily I noticed smoke and pulled over and assessed the situation and managed to get the fire out. Then, just when I thought I had enough problem comes this guy with a bucky decides he's just going to cut me right off. I was too busy dealing with the bike to even worry about what he just did. He just forced me to stop and cut in front of me because he was obviously impatient. Anyway, you get these people on the road sometimes. Lucky I just stopped and let him get past me and carried on with the bike because that was my main concern. And at this point I started seeing smoke, as you can see there, and I quickly jumped off the bike and assessed the fire.
Yeah, thank you very much.